Hi, I'm Daniel Haug with Vincia Prep, and I'm going to show you another trick or trap with the GMAT, and in particular with the geometry questions on the GMAT. So, if we had a question like this, where we're given a cube, let's imagine my drawing is actually a cube, and they ask us what is the value of angle ABC, so this angle right here. And so when we look at that, it looks like we should be able to figure it out. And then we say, okay, well this is a cube, and so a lot of people would think, well, with cubes there's lots of 90-degree angles, and that kind of looks like a 90-degree angle. Boom, I'm not really sure how to do it, so I'll just choose that one. So that's what a lot of people would do. But with the GMAT, if you learn a couple strategies, the questions become a lot more clear and simple. And so here, one of the main tools that we can use on geometry is drawing another line. So if we drew the line from A to C, we would end up actually getting an equilateral triangle between A, B, and C. And with equilateral triangles, all the sides and all the angles are the same. So therefore, angle B must be 60 degrees. Now, another thing, and I really want to emphasize this for the people in France and Europe, is that, well, and I mean really lots of places all over the world, is that when we're dealing with triangles, a lot of times people, well, particularly right triangles, people really want to use the Pythagorean Theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. But the thing is that on the GMAT, you almost never really have to use that. Really what's important to learn are the 45, 45, 90 triangles, so the triangles that have 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, and the triangles that have 30 degrees, 90 degrees, and 60 degrees. And there's another two types of triangles, the 3, 4, 5, and the 5, 12, 13, and their multiples. But we're going to focus on the 30, 60, 90 triangle. So with the 30, 60, 90 triangle, the sides, the proportion of the sides are 2a, a, and a root 3. And so if we know that, then if they give us that this side is 12, then 12 is equal to 2a. So this a value is going to be 6. And so that means this value is 6. And if we're asked for the value of this side, then it's just going to be 6 root 3. And so that is much faster than using the Pythagorean Theorem. So really, before you start doing questions, learn the strategy, then do the questions. And then once you get good at doing the questions, then it's usually a good idea to start doing practice tests. And I hope you found that helpful. Thanks.